Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. Let's dive into our word of the day, art. Art is a noun, and it refers to creative works such as painting, drawing, sculpture, or even performance. It's an A1 level word, which means it's perfect for beginners in English. Art is all about creativity, imagination, and expressing ideas or emotions. Whether it's a painting in a gallery or a sketch in your notebook, it all falls under the umbrella of art. There are many synonyms for art, like craft, creativity, or masterpiece. For example, her pottery is a beautiful craft that shows her skill. Or, the mural on the building is a true masterpiece admired by all. On the other hand, antonyms for art include words like science, reality, or nature, which often represent things that are more about facts or the natural world. For instance, while I enjoy studying science, I find art to be a fun way to relax. In everyday life, art is everywhere. You might visit an art gallery to see paintings or attend a street fair to admire local art. Maybe you've created a piece of art yourself, like a drawing or a collage. We also talk about things being a form of art, like cooking or storytelling, to emphasize the creativity involved. Here are some examples of how you can use art in a sentence. The museum had an incredible collection of modern art. She's studying art at college and hopes to become an artist. The festival showcased local art and crafts from talented creators. That's all for today's word, art. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you feel inspired to explore this creative term in your own life. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. It really helps others discover the show. And here's a challenge for you. Try creating your own sentence using the word art and share it with us in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and stay creative.